Good morning, everyone. Guys, good morning. We're looking for the mannequin piece. Good morning, everyone. Where? Oh, yeah, it's here. Guys, we're here now. To the one. Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Hello. I'm vlogging the vlogger. Okay, so let's go to the mannequin piece. Oops. Sorry. So a lot of people here. Oh my God, very famous here. Ah, ayan yung mannequin piece. That's the mannequin piece. Ah, I see. Ayan pala. You see that, Shan? Can you take a picture of it? So, ayan yung famous, ano ba yan? Mannequin piece. Oh, hello. Famous daw yan dito, guys. Alik, Shan, come here, baby. Ayan yung nakasulat. I can't understand. Ayan, so may fountain doon. So, ihi siya ng ihi, guys. Ihi. Oh. Ha? Cute ang bata. Ang daming tao dito, guys. Ang daming tao. Look at that. See? Ang daming tao. Kasi famous. This is a famous mannequin piece. Halika, Shan, come. So, yan. Daming tao. Ang daming tao. Yan pala ang mannequin piece. You wanna go that one? I don't know how much is that. We will ask. Bye. So let's go.